In this video, we're going to look at model orientation control. There are a few different ways to orient models within GrabCAD Print, and you may find some ways work better than others, depending on your part geometry. First, let's go to the Orient menu, and I'm going to select the buckle clip. The first option presented is the ability to rotate a part about an axis. In this case, I'm rotating along the x-axis by 90 degrees. I can control the rotation by clicking the plus and minus buttons. I can also change the amount of rotation. So instead of 90 degrees, let's do 5 degrees. And again, I can control the number of increments by hitting the plus icon and the minus icon. The second option is the Orient Face to Plane tool. This allows you to select a plane on your part and choose the direction it will face. So I'm going to click on the top of this button face. And if I want the part to lie down flat, I'm going to select the bottom option. This is a quick way to get your parts with flat surfaces into the desired orientation. You may find, however, that with a part like this apple, something that's very organic and curved in nature, it's going to be very difficult to find a flat plane to orient to. For models like the apple, I prefer to use the 3D Manipulator tool, which can be found in the top menu right here. Once selected, and the apple's been selected as well, I have the ability to rotate manually. I can rotate the apple however I like, but I'm going to try and get it as flat as I can. So grab the red, and then let's grab the green. And that's pretty good. It's not a very precise tool, but it can be faster than guessing an axis orientation amount and clicking over and over again to get this part in just the right spot. Prevent the arrange tray function from overriding your part orientation. Click on a part, click on the Orient menu, and in the top right corner, we have a lock icon. You can confirm that the lock icon is active by looking at the project window and seeing the lock present next to the part name. This prevents this specific part from being any change in orientation. So if I wanted to allow GrabCAD to change the orientation of the apple, but not the clip, I could use the Arrange Tray tool as it's currently configured. I could also lock both parts, and Arrange Tray will only move the parts along the surface of the build tray, but it will not change their orientation.